chapter 29, verse 40. Kastrangya te kalapada yataveno gita samohitarya charitan nachalet trilokyam sobagamidam chaniriksha rupam yadgo dujadrama mriga pulakan yabibran. Translation. They're saying Anga. They're just calling Krishna Anga. Kastri Anga Kalaparayata Venogita. O Anga, what woman in the three worlds wouldn't abandon her noble character? Because it says Arya Charitan. So Arya means noble character or cultured behavior of an advanced religious person, spiritual person, man or woman. Arya Charitan, the character. What woman would not abandon her noble character when bewildered by the sweet, drawn-out melody of your flute? Veno Gita Samohita. Veno Gita Samohita. The Veno Gita, the song of your flute, Samohita, completely has bewildered us, and it'll bewilder any woman. It's so enchanting, so attractive, so sweet, so relishable, and so captivating that anyone would forget anything. It creates a hypnotic spell on anyone. When Krishna plays his flute, it casts a hypnotic spell. Cobra man, what do they call that man with a cobra in his basket? He plays his Shania. The cobra is dancing back and forth. Oh, this is nice. You see, if you look at the cobra's face, it looks like he's smiling, believe it or not. yeah, you have to stretch your imagination a little bit, if you have one. And then it looks like he's enjoying, because it seems, if you look, he has, if you see, like, for example, I don't know if it's the same, maybe it could be. Depends on the heart of the man. But sometimes a man or a woman's enjoying some good music, and they're closing their eyes. Yeah? Yes. They go, oh, that's nice. It's just going in their ears and just kind of, it's like the mother with the baby in the arms, rocking him to sleep. So they hear a nice, that's nice, that's nice. Ding, ding, cool, whatever. So Krishna's flute, when he plays his flute, is Murli. Then it's Samohita. Samohita. Samohita means you're completely zapped. You're completely zapped or bewildered or bewitched by someone's words or by someone's music or by someone's activities. So this music, the element of music, the element of sound is very dangerous. Sound is very powerful. By sound they control the cobra. By sound, the whole universe comes into being. And by sound, the whole universe is destroyed, or put into an invisible position, unmanifest, which is called destroyed. It's called pralaya, Shristi pralaya. So this sound can really hypnotize people. Sometimes people are walking along and have a whole other world in their mind, and whole heart full of desires, and a whole other world in their mind. And they're just peacefully walking around, meditating on all their desires and plans and schemes. And I'll do this, and I'll do that, and I'll go here and do that. Now I have to do this, now I'll do that. And all of a sudden, somewhere in the distance, ching, 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 ching. And then they hear a ching, ching. All the distance, they only hear ching, ching, ching. Then as they get closer, boom, boom, boom. Ching, 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 boom, boom, ching, 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 boom, boom. Then they get closer. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.